Top secret Netflix features you didn't know about. The first one is the hidden Netflix code for secret categories. Yes, Netflix has secret category codes you can enter in your browser. For example, 1365 is for action, 783 for kids movie, and 8711 for horror movies. You can simply visit netflix.com/browse/genre/code. You can also download and watch movies or series offline. On mobile and Windows app, you can download movies and shows to watch offline, which is great for flights, travel, or saving data. If you have a continue watching series, then you can remove that. If you don't want that random show to stare at you forever, on mobile, you can tap the three dots and click on Remove from Row, while on desktop, you can go to your account and click on Viewing Activity and hide it. There are also features like Smart Downloads and Downloads for You. Netflix can automatically download the next episode of what you are watching and delete the old one. You can also enable Download for You to get recommended shows pre-downloaded based on your taste. That's all for today. Thank you.